Hey everybody, my name's Alison and today we're going to be discussing how to enable root user login via SSH. By default, the root user login is disabled via SSH. Keep in mind it's configured this way as a security precaution, and it means you cannot directly log in as a root user over SSH. To make logging in more convenient, today we will show you how to configure direct login as the root user. First, make sure you're logged in as a root user because you have to have root permissions to make adjustments to the SSH configuration file. Then, using your preferred file editor, you'll want to edit the SSH configuration file found under /etc/ssh. Then once you're in that file, you can add the PermitRootLogin yes entry anywhere, but it's best practice to find the block about authentication and add it there. In my case, /authentication will find the authentication block. Now, for more security, a public key could be used instead of password authentication. In that case, you'd want to put in the PermitRootLogin without password entry into the configuration file instead of the PermitRootLogin yes entry. But for this tutorial, we'll be using the PermitRootLogin yes entry. Go ahead and enter PermitRootLogin yes. Now, make sure you save the changes and exit the file. The last step for this to take effect is you'll want to restart the SSH server. Go ahead and type in the appropriate command for restarting the SSH service. In my case, it's systemctl /restart /sshd. And now you're done. Now that you have put the PermitRootLogin entry into the SSH configuration file and restarted the SSH service, the root user will be able to log in with either the password or an SSH key. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video on how to enable root login via SSH. For more how-tos and tutorials, see our knowledge base at liquidweb.com/kb or our YouTube channel.